Hello lovelies, welcome back to today's tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how we can preserve cocoyam for months without going to the market to buy powdered or cooking cocoyam every day. No. Now I went to the market, got some large quantity of cocoyam, but before then, have you subscribed to my video? Have you liked? Please comment and share. Yes, I got large quantity of cocoyam. Got home, cooked till they are soft, and I went ahead to peel. After peeling, you can use your mortar and pestle to pound, or you can use your blender. I also used my blender for me to show you properly that it works. I used my blender and I blended the first set without adding oil, the second set with red oil. You know, in Igbo land we believe that when you add oil to yam, it makes them not sticky, but all the same it works. So you are done pounding, just package and put in the freezer. It will last for months. Go ahead and use anytime you have need for cocoyam, either oha soup or bitter leaf soup. Thank you for watching. Bye.